Welcome back, explorers! Today, we're navigating through the diverse landscapes and cities of the Netherlands. From the iconic canals of Amsterdam to the windmill-studded vistas of Kinderdijk. The Netherlands is a vibrant blend of modern innovation, historical grandeur, and natural beauty. Let's unearth the top 15 must-see destinations in this enchanting country. Grab your virtual passports and let's get started. Netherlands, where tradition meets innovation. Amsterdam. Begin your adventure in Amsterdam, a city that marries history with contemporary flair. Cruise along its intricate canal system, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visit the Rijksmuseum, housing an extensive collection of Dutch art. Explore the Anne Frank House, a poignant tribute to courage and resilience. Wind down at Vondelpark, the city's lung and social hub. Keukenhof Gardens. Venture to Keukenhof Gardens, the world's largest flower garden. Walk amidst millions of tulips in bloom, a spectacle of color and fragrance. Admire the themed gardens, showcasing diverse floral designs. Capture the windmill view, a panoramic scene overlooking the tulip fields. Experience the flower parade, a vibrant procession of floral floats. Zaanse Schans. Discover Zaanse Schans, a living museum of Dutch history. Tour the traditional windmills, turning grain into flour for centuries. Witness the wooden shoe workshop, a testament to Dutch craftsmanship. Visit the cheese farm to sample an array of locally produced cheeses. Observe the Zaanse clock, a timekeeper with roots deep in local tradition. Giethoorn. Escape to Giethoorn, known as the Venice of the North. Navigate its idyllic waterways aboard a whisper boat, a noiseless electric vessel. Visit the Giethoorn Museum, recounting the town's unique history. Stroll along the narrow pathways, quaint and free of car traffic. Dine at a waterfront cafe, a picture-perfect setting for a meal. Utrecht. Uncover the secrets of Utrecht, a city rich in religious and academic history. Walk along the Oudegracht, a canal unique for its split-level sidewalks. Visit the Dom Tower, offering panoramic views from its peak. Explore the Museum Quarter, a hub of art and culture. Conclude your visit at the Miffy Museum, delighting fans of the iconic rabbit. Rotterdam. Immerse yourself in Rotterdam, a metropolis of architectural wonder. Tour the cube houses, a striking example of modern design. Visit the Erasmus Bridge, an elegant structure spanning the Maas River. Experience the Maritime Museum, celebrating the city's nautical legacy. Relax at Krellingse Plas, a man-made lake surrounded by forests. The Hague. Step into The Hague, the political heart of the Netherlands. Visit the Mauritshuis, showcasing masterpieces like Girl with a Pearl Earring. Tour the Binnenhof, the world's oldest parliament building still in use. Stroll through Rotterdam, a miniature city depicting the Netherlands in detail. Experience the North Sea coastline at Scheveningen, a popular beach resort. Maastricht. Delve into Maastricht, a city that bridges cultures and epochs. Tour the St. Servatius Basilica, one of the Netherlands' oldest churches. Walk on the Roman bridge spanning the Maas River. Visit the Bonnefanten Museum, displaying both old masters and contemporary art. Experience the lively Vrijthof Square, host to festivals and events. If you're new here or haven't done so yet, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future adventures. Excited for what's next? On to the next experience on our list. Eindhoven. Explore Eindhoven, the Dutch hub of technology and design. Visit the Philips Museum, tracing the journey of a global tech giant. Tour the Van Abbe Museum, showcasing modern and contemporary art. Experience STRP, a festival blending technology, art, and music. Wander through the De Blob building, an architectural marvel in the city center. Leiden. Journey through Leiden, the city of discovery and enlightenment. Walk along its picturesque canals lined with historical buildings. Visit the Naturalis Biodiversity Center, a temple to natural history. Explore the Leiden Observatory, an educational experience that's out of this world. End your tour at the Hortus Botanicus, one of the oldest botanical gardens in the world. Harlem. Unravel the charm of Harlem, a city steeped in art and history. Tour the Frans Hals Museum, dedicated to the Dutch Golden Age. Visit the Corrie ten Boom House, a tribute to heroism during WW2. Experience the Grootmarkt, a bustling square framed by landmarks. Relax in the Haarlemmerhout, the city's oldest public park. Delft. Discover Delft, the cradle of Dutch pottery and artistic brilliance. Visit the Royal Delft Factory, witnessing the creation of iconic blue pottery. Tour the Nieuwe Kerk, resting place of Dutch royals. Explore the Vermeer Center, dedicated to the life and work of Johannes Vermeer. Walk along the Oude Delft, the city's oldest canal. Groningen. Unearth Groningen, a vibrant student city with a rich maritime history. Explore the Groninger Museum, an avant-garde edifice of art and design. Visit the Martini Tower, offering stunning views of the cityscape. Walk through the Noorderplanzoen, a park that was once a defensive rampart. Dine at the fish market, offering a plethora of seafood options. Arnhem. Journey into Arnhem, a city known for its pivotal role in WW2. Tour the Airborne Museum, dedicated to the Battle of Arnhem. Walk through the Burgers Zoo, one of Europe's most innovative zoological parks. Experience the open-air museum, portraying Dutch life through the ages. Relax at Sunsbeek Park, a lush urban escape. Kinderdijk. Conclude your trip at Kinderdijk, an emblematic scene of Dutch ingenuity. Tour the 19 historic windmills, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Experience a boat tour, offering water-level views of these engineering marvels. Walk along the dikes, showcasing the Netherlands' mastery over water. Capture the sunset, casting a golden glow over the windmill blades. From Amsterdam's intricate canals and rich museums to Kinderdijk's iconic windmills set against a setting sun, each locale captures an essential facet of the Netherlands' diverse tapestry. From the innovative and modern marvels of Rotterdam to the historical significance and natural beauty of Arnhem, the Netherlands is a mosaic of experiences, each more enlightening than the last. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey through the places that make the Netherlands absolutely unforgettable. Until next time, keep exploring and turning your destinations into experiences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more detailed experiences and exclusive travel deals, visit TripJive.com. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.